Okay, students. Now we will discuss question number second. Okay. So first of all, discussing this, we have to convert this into simplest form so that our calculation become easy and so that it takes lesser time. Okay. So see here, we in place of x, we can substitute either x is equal to sin t or cos t or tan t, which will be convenient here. So here is plus sign, so we can use here x is equal to tan t, because we know that the formula in trigonometry 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and radical sign is there, so that will be removed out. So let x is equal to tan t here. This implies t is equal to tan inverse x, which will be used later. Okay. So in place of x, if we put tan t, then we will get here y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square t minus 1 upon tan t. Further, we will get here tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta is equal to always sec square theta, so it become sec t, removing square y, radical sign, then minus 1 is also there, and then it is tan t. Okay. So this will be converted into tan inverse. Now we can change this in simplest form, in the form of sin and cos. So we will get here 1 upon cos t minus 1 upon sin t upon cos t. Okay. Now we will get here tan inverse 1 minus cos t upon sin t upon cos t. Okay. And here we will get again in denominator cos t. Further solving this, we will get here y is equal to tan inverse, denominator will be cancelled out from both sides, and 1 minus cos t is there, so we will get here a formula 2 sin square t upon 2 upon, here in place of sin t we can put here sin 2t upon t, so it becomes 2 sin t upon t cos t upon t, sin t upon 2 cos t upon 2. In 11th class we have discussed already this. Now this 2 will be cancelled out by this 2, and this square will be vanished out by this sin t, so we'll get ultimately here at the last tan inverse sin t upon 2 upon cos t upon 2 means tan t upon 2, and then this tan inverse will be cancelled out by this thing. Then we will get here y is equal to t upon 2 simply, and converting this t in this form tan inverse x, so we will get here half tan inverse x. Now see here, earlier we have y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Now we converted this form into this simplest form, and if y is equal to this, then we can find out the derivative of dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx will be equal to half, constant will be here, and what is the derivative of tan inverse x? That is direct formula, that will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is our required answer. So in this way we can use substitution, or we can use any easiest substitution to solve or to find the derivative of any trigonometric function, changing the typical form into simplest one, and then finding the derivative of that. Okay. Thank you.